Okay, for problem sums involving time, okay, you must remember as much as possible, you should try to use the timeline method. Okay, I say again, the timeline method to try to solve the problem because it will reduce a lot of what do you call it, misconceptions, and it's much easier to solve time questions using a timeline. Okay, so how do we do the timeline? Let me show you now. Okay, so for this question, Andy arrived at a basketball court at 1620. So you know that he arrived. I write down the information first. It's important to write down all the information. Every sentence gives you an information. So he arrived at 1620. Okay. He took 52 minutes to travel from his house to the court. So you know that the house to court is 162. Sorry, correction. The house to the court is takes like 52 minutes. Okay, so he arrived at this time and the house to the court is this time. So drawing all this information at timeline, this is how it looks like. Okay, so this is his house. We draw that. This is his house. Okay, to the basketball court. So this is court and this is house. Okay, so you know he arrived at 1620. Okay, and he took 52 minutes to arrive there. Okay, so um what time did he leave the house? So leave house. Yeah, this is what you're trying to find out, right? Okay, so you want to know what time did he leave the house. Okay, this way. Alright, so the easiest way is that you know he took 52 minutes, but you don't draw 52 minutes right from here to here because if you do that, the timeline doesn't help you simplify things at all. So how does the timeline help you simplify? Is that you try to move time step by step. So you break it down into very simple steps, such that you can just have the hours by themselves and by the minutes by themselves. So for example, okay, in let's say 1620 and you move back 52 minutes, right? This is how you do it. Okay. First, I will move backwards 20 minutes. Why? Because 1600 is much easier to count. So let's say I put here. Okay, I put it 1600. Okay, and I move back. Okay, by 20 minutes. Okay, so I move back by 20 minutes. Okay, so I know I have to move back a total of 52 minutes, but I move back 20 minutes first because it's easier to count and easier to see it this way. Okay, so 20 minutes first. Okay, 1620, and I move to 1600. Okay, so how much time do I have remaining? How much time do I have to move backwards? Okay, so I write time left to move backwards is okay. Um, what do you call that? 52 minutes minus 20 minutes. Okay. Why do I do this? Because I have to move a total of 52 minutes, but so far I only move back by 20 minutes. So I must find how much more must I move. Okay. So I must move back by another 32 minutes. Okay. I have to move back by another 32 minutes. And to make it easier to calculate, right, I wouldn't want to move back the whole of 32 minutes because it's so hard to calculate. So I would prefer moving back just 30 minutes first. Okay, so I move back by 30 minutes first. Okay, I move back by 30 minutes. Okay, and that should give me, right, 1530. So it's 1530. Okay, so I move back by 30 minutes. I should get 1530. And from there, how much time do I have left to minus? It's actually, okay, I can write time left again. You actually don't have to write this, you can see it very obviously. Okay, so it's 32 minus 30 minutes. to give me 2 minutes. So I have 2 minutes left to move back. Okay, so I minus 2 minutes from 15:30. Okay, and I should get 1528. Okay, so the answer is, okay, 1528. Why? Because 1530 I minus 2 minutes from here. Okay, I know I have 1528. So my answer is 1528 hours. Okay, so this is in 24-hour clock is 1528 hours, or you can put it as, okay, 328